If you suspect that your Spotify account has been compromised or you are facing issues accessing it due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Spotify login page. Go to the official Spotify website or open the Spotify app. Click on the login button to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Your Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Spotify account. Make sure it is the correct one, as Spotify will send you a password reset link to this email. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Spotify. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you click the link in the email, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. After setting the new password, log into your account with the new credentials. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Spotify support for further assistance. Taking these steps will help you regain control of your account and ensure your security.